First of all, I warmly welcome my dear students and my friends. Today we will study a Theban play, the Oedipus Rex, which is consist of three plays, that is a trilogy. So let's start its MCQs. We will study its MCQs. So let's start it. First is, which of the three Theban plays was probably written last? Last was written Oedipus at Colonus. First option is true. How many children does Oedipus have? Oedipus had 4 children. In Oedipus the king, whose murder must be avenged to end the plague in Thebes. Its true answer is Laius. Which of the Oedipus children does not appear in Oedipus at Colonus? True answer is Sophocles or Sophocles. What does the name Oedipus mean? Oedipus means swollen foot. C is true answer. In which country was Oedipus raised? The true answer is Corinth. In which play does Tiresias not appear? The true answer is D. Oedipus at Colonus. What sentence does Creon impose Antigone for violating his edict? Polynices barrier. The true answer is D. She must be buried alive. From whose curse did Oedipus rescue Thebes? The true answer is the Sphinx. A. Who speaks last in each of the Theban plays? The true answer is Chorus. Who was Antigone meant to marry? The true answer is B. Haman. Which god did Athenian theatrical performances celebrate? The true answer is C. Dionysus. Which of the following characters remains alive throughout the three Theban plays? The true answer is Jocasta. Where was Lais killed? The true answer is D. At a three-way crossroads. What does Oedipus prophesy about Polynices and Eteocles? The true answer: they will die at each other's hands. B is true. Who is the last remaining survivor of Oedipus' family? The true answer is Asmine.